Welcome all the students to my channel. The name of the channel is Eco-Friendly Economics. I am Apula Ghosh. My experience in educational sector about 34 years. I am teaching economics, but I find that most of the students are not willing to take economics because they have a phobia. But in ICSE and CBSE board, economics started at their 10th level, and HS board it is at 12th level. But after the completion of their course, after the completion of HS, ICSE 12th plus, they are not willing to take economics in their graduation. They say that it is very hard. If we take this as a combination, it will be hard to overcome it. It will be hard to get the graduation degree. But why? Why have a phobia in economics? In my channel, I am trying to give some tips to the students to make it easy. So, at first, I am telling a story about economics. First of all, when the nature started, there was two men. You know that one is Adam and Eve. This is just a story. This is not related to economics. When there is a two men, Adam and Eve, nature provided them food, nature provided them clothing, nature provided them shelter. So all their subsistence need, food, clothing and shelter provided by the nature. So there was a interaction between man and nature. But after passing the time, Adam and Eve, with biological process, they created more human beings. So the supply of man increases, nature is saturated by man, but supply of nature is fixed. In this case, there is a man-man interaction. So what is the result of man-man interaction? Man-man interaction increase the production. That is the production of agricultural goods, because nature could not provide the food, so man has the requirement of food. So how they get it? They get it by productive activities. So this production created. So production is a term of economics, and this is a social activity. The first step is food, and second, the human beings wanted clothing. So when they wanted clothing, nature could not provide the clothing. So there is another production activity, and this production activity provided clothing, and in this process, shelter was provided by the man-man interaction. So this is the one term, the specific term of social activity which is related to the economics. So we call that economics is a social science. You know that there are two branches of science. One is laboratory based science and other is social science. What are the laboratory based science? Laboratory based science as physics, chemistry, biology. These are the laboratory based science, but after experiments we get a result. You know that the water is produced by hydrogen, oxygen. But in the social activity, but in the social science, how you will get the result? You will get the result in the interaction of the human beings. And the branches of social science related to economics, sociology, anthropology, these subjects are related to the social science. So we call the economics is a social science. In this video, this is the end of this video. In the next video, we will discuss another mode. Thank you all.